everyone. It's Jahida. Just Jahida. Coming to you with another video. We're going to do a thrift haul, so we're going to get right into it. So the first thing I got was this White House Black Market shirt. It's got sheer sleeves and like a keyhole on the sleeve. I don't know if you can see that, but I thought that was really cute. So yeah. Next I got this floral kind of powder blue. It has yellow flowers and pink in it. Lauren Conrad shirt. It has a keyhole detail in the back. The back is kind of long and it has like a little split. I don't know if you can see that. And then the sleeves is kind of short in the front and the sleeves bell out. So I thought that was real cute.
Action.
This is another dress from Mason Jewels. It's an extra large. It has a V-neck in the front and it's just a little sheer dress with the lining, and it has like the pleats in the back and the sleeves are kind of sheer. I got that for me. I'm going to try it on in a probably at the end of the video or another try on haul.
Okay.
So I got this skirt. It's like the shorts in the front and it kind of bells out with the slit, and then the back is just kind of long with the purple flowers. This is from Blage, and it's new with tags, so yeah. I also got this. I don't know if it's a shirt or a dress. It has little pockets, but I thought it was cute. It's from Motherhood Maternity. Some of this is going to be on my Poshmark, so I'll link that in the description box below. But yeah, that was kind of cute. So I also got this dress. I thought it was cute. I'm going to try it on. If I can fit it, I'm going to keep it. And it has a little zipper detail in the back, and it's kind of like a short, cute dress. You can throw it on with some sandals and be cute. So I also got this dress here. I thought it was cute. It also has a little keyhole detail in the back. So I'm going to try that on, and if it fits, I'm going to keep it. If not, it's going to go on my Poshmark as well.
Action.
I got this Motherhood Maternity dress. I needed some more maternity things on my Poshmark, so I got a few pieces. But yeah, it's a fitted dress.
Action.
This dress had the crisscross in the front, and then it has a tie keyhole in the back, and then the bottom has the pink floral flowers. And if I can fit that, I'm gonna keep that as well.
Action.
And I got this beauty here for somebody who wants to go out, from ASOS, and it has the ruffle at the bottom, and then the back kind of dips down in the back. But that was very cute.
Action.
I got this dress for my daughter. It has pockets, but it's good for like the summer time when she's not at school and stuff, and she's growing so fast. So hey.
Action.
I found this LuLaRoe dress, and it's just a simple dress. It's a little longer at the bottom, a little shorter in the front. It has that pocket in the front, but I thought that would be cute. Yeah, it's purple and blue.
Yeah. And
then the last clothing piece I have is this other LuLaRoe dress. It's very cute. It's A-line, and then it has a zipper detail down the back, but it was really cute. So yeah.
Action.
And this is a cute little purse. My daughter wanted it, but it's cute. A cute little bag. This would be a good statement bag, so I might have to borrow it. But yeah, just a little. You can fit your phone and some keys and a lip gloss. It's kind of spacious.
And
so my daughter got this. She thought it was a jewelry box, but it's actually like a doll thing. See, it opens and then the drawers open. So yeah, she wanted that. It has a mirror. So yeah. It had little hangers to go. So yeah, but I thought that was cute and she liked it.
Action.
I got my daughter these aviators. They're blue. She liked them. And then I got these for me. I thought they were kind of cute. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all how the glasses looked on. And then the last thing I got was my daughter this nice backpack, and it had like a water thing, but it has 2 compartments to it, and it was nice, so in good condition. So here's the try on. My daughter's dress fits well. She has on some tights and her purse and her glasses. Hey girl. And she has on her Carolina Herrera watch. So here's the Lauren Conrad shirt. It's a little big, but I think I can get away with it. I thought it was cute though. And then here's what the back looks like with the cutout and the cutout. But yeah, I think I'm gonna keep it. What do y'all think?
Action.
So here's the cream colored dress. I can get into it, but in the hip area, it's a little snug and it's not comfortable. So I think I'm going to list this on Poshmark as well. But this is how the back looks, but it's snug in this area. So I think I'll pass, but it's so cute. Anyway.
Action.
So here's the other dress. I'm going to keep this one. This one fits pretty well. It has this detail here and then this detail in the back, but throw some sandals on with it. Go pick up my daughter from school and still think I'm a little cute. So, and then this dress didn't fit, so somebody lucky on Poshmark can purchase it. But yeah, it didn't fit. Oh well. So I love this dress because it's effortless. It's baggy, but it still looks cute. So you could either wear it like this and pair it with some sandals. This is how it's looking in the back. But if I would wear it, I would want it to be like cinched in a little bit. So I would probably put like a belt on and kind of, you know, give it some kind of flavor just to cinch it in a little bit, and wear it like that with some gold sandals or heels or whatever you want to do with the shoes. And you can also add pops of color if you're into that kind of thing. So yeah. So this is the last piece. It's kind of big, but I think I could just kind of take in the elastic. I just paired it with some crop top I had in my drawer. And yeah, so this will be cute. Throw on some sandals and some cute jewelry, and you'll be ready to go. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, a like, comment down below and tell me what was your favorite outfit. Mine was the black dress that I could transform, and I kind of like this skirt too. So tell me what your faves are. I love the glasses as well. I do videos on hauls, cooking, family life, family fun, and whatever I'm feeling for that day. So if you're into this, just please like this video, comment down below, and also my Poshmark will be linked down below if you saw some pieces that you may be interested in. And until next time, see you later.